Hello and welcome back to another recipe of the week video. My name is Marissa if you are new here. I am a pharmacist and health coach, and each week I am sharing a recipe or meal idea to inspire you to get cooking in your kitchen and that healthy food can be delicious, simple, and fun. So this week we are making a chicken avocado toast open faced sandwich. I started by slicing up some fresh sourdough sandwich bread. I shared how I made this in a previous video, so I will link that if you would like to watch it and get the full recipe. The only difference is that this time I used 3 cups of freshly milled flour and 1 cup of organic unbleached all-purpose flour in order to make it. It was delicious, and after I let that cool, I sliced it, reserved 3 slices for dinner, and then I froze the rest. Then I started chopping up some vegetables for a quick little salad that we're going to put on top of the toast or the sandwich. So this is actually one of my favorite things to do ever. I love to chop. It's like my favorite part of the cooking process for some reason. And so what I did was I chopped up 3 baby cucumbers. I just sliced them and then I tossed them into a large mixing bowl. And then I thinly sliced about a half of a small red onion and I put that into the bowl as well. And then the next thing I did was dice up 3 Roma tomatoes. You can use any kind of tomato that you have on hand or that you can find at your grocery store or at a local farmer's market. And what I do is I just slice them in half and then chop them into small bite-sized pieces. I personally don't love the seeds, and so I remove them while I'm chopping the tomato, but you can totally leave them in there if you'd like. I just find that when you are slicing the tomato that small into those small bite-sized pieces, it typically just makes a huge mess, and so I just like to remove them. And then once done with all of that, I put the tomatoes into the mixing bowl along with the cucumbers and the red onion. Now we're going to grab a handful of some fresh herbs. Today I'm using Italian flat leaf parsley, curly parsley, basil, and rosemary are also great options here. So just choose what you like, what you're craving, and what you have on hand and what you're able to find. And then go ahead and chop it up finely, and then you're going to add this into the bowl as well. And then once you are all done with that, we are going to make a very quick marinade, and we're going to let this sit for about 10 to 20 minutes while we prepare the rest of our ingredients for this sandwich. So we're going to drizzle in about 3 tablespoons of avocado oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. We're going to add in a dash of salt, and we're going to use a spoon to just stir this all together. Then you can set that aside, and now we're going to mash up an avocado. Carefully slice this open and remove the pit. If you don't like to remove the pit this way, then that's okay. I actually shared a quick YouTube short on an alternate way of easily de-pitting an avocado. It's a little bit safer, and so I will link that here so you can check that out if you'd like. Initially, I mashed up 1 avocado, and then I determined that I needed a little bit more. This is all dependent on how many people you're feeding, so you can do more or less depending on that. And so then altogether, I use 1.5 ripe avocados for this mash, and then I use my fork to just mash it all together. And then you're going to grab a microplane and a lemon, and you're going to zest an entire lemon right in here. It just gives it the best pop of flavor. Trust me, you have to do this. Do not skip this part. And then you're going to add in the juice from half of the lemon. I did try it once before with the whole lemon and it was way too much. So just a half a lemon is perfect for this. And then just finish it off with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and then give it a good mix. Now it is time to cook up some chicken. A meal prep hack here, if you are low on time during the week, is to cook up some chicken over the weekend. You can do this by just roasting up a whole chicken. You could put it in the Instapot. There's a lot of different things you could do. Or you could just saute up some chicken breast like I am doing here right now and just kind of have it in a food storage container, and that way it's done. But if you are just now making it like I am, then we are going to slice up 2 chicken breasts into 1/2-inch thick large pieces, and we're going to season them with garlic powder and onion powder. Add on some freshly ground black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then use your hands to make sure the seasonings are all evenly mixed with each piece of chicken. Then you're going to heat up a cast iron pan with some avocado oil, and you're going to saute each piece of chicken until they are golden brown on each side and fully cooked through. Repeat this process until all of the chicken is cooked. And if you meal prep the chicken in advance, then you can just go ahead and reheat it right before you plate it on your sandwich. So then when you are done, you can take all of the chicken out of the frying pan and then take each slice of bread and lightly fry it on each side. Essentially, we are just kind of toasting them up a little bit. You can also just put them in a toaster oven if you like. totally up to you. I just like putting it in the frying pan because the chicken was just there and I feel like it just adds extra flavor. And if you want, you can add a little extra avocado oil if you need to, just to kind of get them to toast up a little bit. And then once the bread is toasted, we are ready to assemble the sandwiches. And so what we're going to do is just smear on a generous helping of the avocado mash. If you like a little crunch, then you can add on some raw pumpkin seeds. And then you can add on 2 to 3 pieces of chicken, depending on the size, and just make sure that it all fits. And then you can spoon on the cucumber, tomato, and red onion salad. And that's it. Once they are done, they are ready to eat. And you can eat this just as it is. I found them to be very filling, or you could add something on the side as well, like some roasted potatoes or another salad or something like that. This sandwich would also be really fun to eat at a picnic, but I would recommend adding on another slice of bread and then just slicing it in half and wrapping it up. So that's how you make this chicken avocado toast open face sandwich. Make sure to subscribe for more healthy recipes. I'm sharing a new one each week and I already have lots on my channel. And if you'd like to see me make a specific dish, then comment that down below. And if you're looking to improve your health, then make sure to check out my previous video where I shared my tips for healthy grocery shopping for food and everyday household and personal care products. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Stay well, my friends. Bye.